Sourceone.org. Today I was going to show you our Coroplast signs. I was just making one right now. It's just, you can get any size Coroplast you want. I wrote on it with a marker, just a Sharpie. You can use paint, acrylic paint, anything you want to write on there, and you can write on both sides. And we have we get these in big sheets, 4-foot by 8-foot sheets. They come in white, we have red, we have blue, we have black, we also have pink. Everybody likes pink. And here's red, and as you see, you can get it in any size you want. You can even get a whole 4-foot by 8-foot sheet. It would be huge. Here's one we have in here. We can print on it for you if you want. This one is double-sided. You can see we mounted it to the wall with 2 pieces of double stick squares. And this is to help our packers here at Sourceone pack your order properly. They have to read, match, and count. That way your order is always right. And if it's not, you let me know, because I'll yell at them. We also have this here for our retail store, because we sell outdoor realtor boxes. Right now we have them on sale. If you come into one of our locations, we have them in blue, red, black, and white. And here's some other signs we make, or you can make them yourself. Here's a Bigfoot sign that's all the rage now. I don't know if you saw one yet. Here's to keep your neighbor's dog from messing up your lawn. We run a sale every summer at our stores. You might want to too. You can use these to hang up. You can put them on these H-frames. Or we also sell some metal frames that you can stick these in if you're inside in a department store, but a lot of people just like to use the H-frame stakes. Then you can stick them into the ground outside your business, your home. If your kids are running a lemonade stand, that's a nice way to do it. We also sell open house signs for any of you realtors out there. So you can get the sign and the realtor box. It's all on our website, or you can give us a call. Here's our phone number in Tucson, 520-770-7890. Or we're always open on our website. Here's our address, Sourceone.org. And last but not least is another big sign we made for our warehouse and a sale we had just a few months ago. And we do sell these organizers. If you're interested, they're on our website also. And these, if you buy them this big and you want to stick them outside, you would have to use 2 of these H-frames. So it's simple, it's easy, and we can make any size that you need. Thanks for visiting Sourceone.org.